Right. Right. Um, yeah. Let's start by drawing a rectangle. Hmm. What did I change? I changed the minimum height to be way too small. Oh, yeah, okay. Um, yeah. So it still draws. So the question is, should we have an assert? Like that should never happen if if we do this math correct. So this should, yeah, it's still too small. That's interesting. Hmm. We'll probably, yeah, let's, I guess just pad, uh, side pad, something like, um, this is such that the labels don't bleed out the side of the widget. Something like that. And I think what I want to do is just straight up make it smaller. Oh, oh, yeah, where is it? Where do we draw the bar? Here it is. Uh, what am I doing wrong here? What am I missing? So these are ticks, that's fine. Oh, yep, that happens too soon. I think I want the pad to be a decent chunk bigger. Okay. And that's a bit cramped. It's still a bit cramped. That's vaguely acceptable. It'd be interesting to put a little, like, less than 60 meter, like, to indicate that it's not at negative 60, it's actually dropped below our floor. But I don't think I'm doing that now. Okay, I think, how do we compute W? I think we've fixed the hard-coded. I'm not thrilled about this pattern either, but I think I like it more than the defines. And then we can, as we have widgets, we can export these ones so that, I wonder if that works. Let's see if that works. I was going to say so that if we had another widget, we can say, or for instance, constant min screen or screen min width. We could equal to gain meter min width plus by, say, some other widget that's, I don't know, let's say 100 pixels or yeah, 100 pixels. I don't know if that'll compile. Yeah, it's not a compile time constant, even though it is mostly, well, it's a link time constant actually. Yeah, that's actually pretty annoying. I might have to switch back to the defines, which happen at compile time. But unfortunately, I then have to put them. Is this not valid C99 though? Like, apparently not. And I mean, it makes sense why, but that's kind of annoying. Very well. Whoops. Yeah. Okay, we'll have to switch back to the defines. It's janky, but it'll still work. Whoops. And we'll have to move these. Oh, my bad. So that one's 290, that one's 40. And we, yeah. That'll have to do. Like, I'm not thrilled about it, but I think it's closer to what I want. Like, semantically with C, it's closer to what I want. Even though it's not really. Okay. Okay, I think that's that done. I want to see if I can move this into another thread now, this computation. I'm not sure how I want to split this though, and if I want to do it right now, because we haven't really done much, just kind of meandered around. a couple of different things and settled on basically the solution I wanted to get rid of. Let's try and move this. Let's try and get something actually done. So let's move this computation into main. Probe for audio devices. Yeah, and so I think after we have an audio device, what I want to do is I want to spawn off a new thread that computes gain. And I guess we'll just use pthreads for that, even though pthreads is not amazing. Is it pthread or pthreads? Pthread, maybe. Yeah, so we probe for an audio device, and then we create one, and then we want to do pthread create. Attributes, eh? If attributes is null, the default attributes are used. If the attributes specified by attribute are modified later, the thread's attributes are not affected. What are they? We won't worry about this now. This is maybe something we care about, but not right now. Compute gain, or yeah, compute gain. And then here, I want to give the index, right? Yeah, I. So we want to say if this, on success it returns 0, otherwise an error number will be returned. Ooh. Will it set error no though? It does not say that. Does it return an integer? It does. Yeah, that's a good question. I think this is like an allocation error. I think this is actually cause for couldn't launch thread. This is actually cause for bailing. Like, I don't think that should happen.